3 days into our last trip, somebody, who will remain nameless, forgot to lock our ensuite door. And going down the highway, the door's obviously swung open. And what it's done is just break this clip off down here. It has a round foot on it and a pin that goes in there so it can swivel. So that bracket there takes the full weight of the door. So I've ordered another one of those from NBC Products in Melbourne. Back to a lovely girl. I wanted 2 of them, so she's sending me up 2 and whatever bits she thinks we might need to fix it. They're still on their way, they haven't turned up yet. There's 2 of these pegs. That mount there has come a bit loose, but they told me not to bother trying to replace that, just to put some more silicone glue on it, because it's punched into a hole, and the more often you try to replace it, the bigger the hole gets and the looser it gets. So there's this peg that goes into the bottom, that had come out as well. So all I had to do to get the door off was just to lift it up and slide it out. I've just got to wait for that foot to come. I don't know whether it has a leg on it that goes up into the frame or not. I'll have to wait for that to turn up to see whether I've got to take this whole section off, which is very, very tight fit. It seems only to be held on by 2 rivets. One there, one up there. My little bag of goodies has turned up from NBC Products. So she sent me everything I might need. So that's the footing that's broken. So it would appear from that as if it's actually screwed into the frame. There's 2 holes there, and she sent me some spare screws. So if that's the case, then I'm going to have to take this bit of the frame off. I'm hoping it'll just clip out once I take those rivets out. Guess I can't do much damage. We'll give that a go. So I've drilled out the rivets and then punched them through. Oh yeah, so this bit of the frame is now loose, so I'll just see if I can get that out. So that is just pulled out. It's coming at the top as well, but it's obviously screwed in at the top. I only need to get access to the bottom, so I'll just fiddle around and come back to you when I sort it out. So this edge of the frame is held in with 5 screws, so I'll remove those because I don't want to bend this. I'll remove those and see what happens. Okay, so I've got those 5 screws out of there eventually. It's pretty hard, and now this frame should just slide out like so. And that'll come off. Put that out of the way, and then I should be able to get access to those 2 screws up there. This is fun. Nothing goes right when you want it to. Can't find my stubby nose Phillips head, so I've got to compromise here. Just get these 2 screws out. They're not very tight, so I'll be able to do it by hand. Just have to put the camera down again. And just get those 2 screws out of there. And then that should come off. Yeah, that comes off. Let's put it somewhere where you don't scratch the furniture. Out come the old rivets, and that's the bit we've got to replace on the end there. So, old one out, new one in, using the new screws, which are a fraction smaller than the ones I took out. And again, the holes in the bracket on the old one are bigger. Just make sure it'll tighten up. They won't go anywhere anyway, because it butts up against the floor and gravity holds the door on. Now I just got to put it back together with the added complication of having the door on it. So I'll just try putting it back together the way I put it apart. So. I'll get this back out. Take that frame off again. Put this back on. Just tighten this up. Now that I've got that tightened up, it has become quite obvious that that's not going to work, because these lugs are about 1/2 inch high each, so there's no way I'm going to be able to get them into there. So the door has to go on before I tighten that up. So I've got to take it all off again. So now I have an able assistant to help me.
Probably the culprit.
So we've got the door onto the bottom hinge. Ah, there's 2 washers that have to go on that first. I better grab those.
Where are they?
In that drawer.
Just
so when we
holding.
took the old one off, there were these 2 screws. I'm guessing that they hold the door up that fraction higher, so we'll put them on there.
What are they called? Rivets. Washers.
Washers. Told her she was an able assistant. So now we've got to put the door back on.
Did you put one up there yet? Or doesn't it have to go up there?
Okay, could you hold the camera, please?
stick it in. Got it.
Okay, we got that in there. Now somehow we're going to get. Could you put your hand on that? No, we won't do it that way. We'll do it the other way. We'll put it on there first. I guess you're filming that, are you? Or you're pointing
I'm
at
trying
something
to.
totally
There you
irrelevant?
go. Oh, this is a dangerous occupation. Got it.
I think that's on it. Can you see?
Yeah, it looks like it's on.
I can't see. I've got my
Oh, hold on. No, it's not on. Oh, it's on now.
on now. Okay, so then I'll put. I'll attempt to put that one in the top. Then I'm going to lift it up. Hopefully it'll stay there. Something's stopping it from moving. So now I've got to get those two screws back in up the top up there.
So don't leave your bathroom door open.
Yeah, the moral of the story. Always check your bathroom doors locked. I think I said before, but this is it's made by a company called NBC in Campbellfield, I think they are, near the caravan manufacturers. I can't remember what her name was. Do you remember what I said her name was? But anyway, the girl down there was so helpful. When she realised that some goose in my caravan had left the door open, she was extra
Was it
helpful.
Kylie?
Might have been Kylie. And she sent me everything I'd need to fix it, plus a spare. Okay, some wombat does it again. Okay, so I've put the frame back into the door frame back into the mounting frame, and then I've had to bend it out again so I can get access to the screws that hold the frame in place. And then we have one in place.
So you've screwed the frame back on.
I am screwing the frame back on. I'm just hoping that there'll still be enough play in it that I can get that
Door back on.
door frame back in.
Yikes.
That's 5 screws back in place. The frame is tight. Now I just got to get the door to go back in. Get my fingers out, might help. Make sure it's lined up so we don't break that foot off again.
Beautiful.
Now all I gotta do is put the rivets in the back. I'm gonna glue that back on because that's a bit loose. The top hinge is a bit loose.
How come it's loose?
Because of the damage.
Maybe.
It didn't break, it just loosened. And there we are.
Door back on.
Door back works.
Yay. We won't forget to lock it again.
Clean up the mess. We're back in business. There we go. 2 pop rivets. All nice and solid and sound. Shuts nicely. Crappy job. So it's a lot easier to make sure you lock your screens before you move. Just got to clean up the mess now. Hope this helps somebody.